further customization of the character's look. So I'm going to show you how you can customize the character's look further. For instance, the skin pattern 1 and 2, how they influence the character's body. The skin pattern 3, skin pattern 4, then skin pattern 5. So you can edit how this looks. I can also edit for blemish, the wrinkles, the spots, the vitiligo. Then for the makeup, the eyeshadow, the lips, the contour, the blush. So how to further edit these options. So to do this, all you need to do is select your character, any of the base meshes you are working with, then order the object data. You select that, then you go under color attributes. So we have this color attribute here. So for the skin 1 and 2, skin 1 and 2 uses this. That's skin pattern 01 and 02 uses skin. Then skin 03 uses 3. Let's go to viewport shading and switch this to attributes. Let me make it flat. So you see the skin 04, skin 05. So by editing this, you can further edit the way your character look. So maybe you want to change the way the default AY looks to you, you can do that. Then for the skin, you see this is what was used to generate the skin 1 and skin 2. So you can do that. So then for lips, this is the lips region. You can edit it further. This for the blush. This for the eyeshadow. Then for the contour, this is where the contour of the face. So you can edit it. The pores. So when you activate the character's pause for the skin noise and bump, this part of the body doesn't have the pause, so you can edit it further. Let's say you don't want the nose to have it, you can add it to it. So this is for the roughness. The powder, this is where the powder influence. So let me isolate it. So it switches the character's chest, so you can edit. The powder doesn't touch the lips, so if you want to touch the lips, you can do that. So this is for the blush. This is for the lips. The lips has to do with the fingers, the fingertip, the palm, and also it works for the leg, the palm color, and then the nails color. So if you want the tip of the nails to have a different color, you can always add it. But for now, only the fingers has tip. But if you want that for your character's feet, you can add that. Then this is for the SSS, the influence of the SSS. So you can just come here and edit this for your character. It also works for the hair. For instance, when you click on use 2 colors, this is what influences that color, which is short for color. Then if you don't want this, if you want the reverse, you can always go to vertex paints. Then you can invert it if that's what you want. Or if you don't want the way it was done, you can always change it for any hairstyle or any outfit. If I select this top, texture paint, vertex paints rather, you can do that for the gem. It doesn't have any gem. For fasting opacity, then the color. So let's say you want 2 colors for this. Let me go to EV. So come here to AY, and for outfits, the top, we have 2 colors. So let me turn off the art and the pattern. So now we have 2 colors, but this is showing white. Let me make this like red. So let's say I want to use these 2 colors for this top. So I can just go to maybe edit mode, select this part of the outfits. I'm alt clicking. Then go under vertex paints. Then I will click on this paint mask. Then assign black. Assign black to that part of the outfit. Set vertex color. So by doing this part of the outfit is pink. So with this, you can easily customize your character's look, the outfits, the hair, the skin. You can further customize the way your character look by editing the attributes of the mesh. That is for this video.